Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat for me? Please respond in the chat, guys. Check whether you are able to hear my voice. Am I clear? Yes, that is good. That is good. All right, guys. All right. All right. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, let me ask you, how many of you are new today? New today. Like if this is your first class, kindly please raise your hands in the Zoom. If this is your first class, please raise your hands in the Zoom. First class, first class. The people who attended yesterday's class, no, only first class. This is the first class. Please raise your hands in the Zoom, please. Right. Okay. All right, guys. All right. So nearly 50 people. All right, guys. You can lower your hands, please. You can lower your hands. Thank you. You can lower your hands, please. Please lower your hands, guys. Yeah. You can lower your hands, please. Please lower your hands. Manjit, Nikhil, Tirupati. You can lower your hands, please. All right, guys. All right. So, guys, this is for the new people who came today only. We have started our sessions from our yesterday's class onwards. Yesterday, that is on Tuesday, that is 25th onwards, we have started our sessions. Okay. Yesterday, what I discussed is actually what is this NASCOM full stack Java developer course. Just a second. Yes. What is this NASCOM Java full stack developer course, and what are the concepts which you are supposed to have an idea about? That is, if we want to create a Java project, we should be having an idea about Java code, database designing, web designing, and we are supposed to test our project. We are supposed to build and deploy our project, right? So all these things are mandatory for calling ourselves as a Java full stack developer, right? So in order to complete this particular course, Java full stack developer course, we are supposed to have all these modules in our resume. Like we are supposed to cover all these concepts. And yesterday, what I told is, I told you how much time it is going to take, like nearly 5 months of time, and how many hours you need to spend. I just gave a overall idea about what are the concepts which we are supposed to discuss in entire this particular course. That is the concepts which we had discussed in our yesterday's class, guys. That's it, not more than that. Okay, so guys, you can think that from today onwards we are starting with our technical sessions. From today onwards, we are starting with our technical sessions. You can think like that, guys. Okay. Now, guys, yesterday, did you remember? I think I have made a challenge for you, right? I made a challenge for you. Did you remember that? Guys, you need to attend first, like up to Saturday. After Saturday's class, I'm gonna ask you a small question, whether you are able to survive in Java or not. Did I tell you that? And that concept we are going to start from today onwards. Okay. So guys, please listen to me. Please listen to me. From today onwards, whatever the topics which I'm discussing right now, those are related to technical aspects. Okay. Those are related to technical aspects. And on Saturday, I'll be asking you the question, right? So in the middle of my session, if you are trying to ask me some questions which were not related to the topic, I will not be able to answer those. Am I clear with this? In the middle of the session, am I clear with this, guys? Like Sudarshan, for example, you're asking me a question, sir, I have done core Java, advanced Java. I want to go with full stack. What I will do? If you are trying to ask me that question, I may not be able to answer in the middle of the session, Sudarshan. Okay, so kindly please wait until the session is completed, and trust me, I will answer your questions. All right. So guys, is it okay for you, everyone? Is it okay, guys? Please respond in the chat for me, and please make sure that you are supposed to respond with an answers in the chat box. Don't forget to respond. Okay. All right, guys. Now let's start. So guys, in Java, there are three basic Java programming elements are there. Three basic Java programming elements are there. Okay. What are those three? Class, interface, and an enum. Sir, what is a class? What is an interface? What is an enum? We will be discussing that, guys. We will be discussing that very soon. We'll be discussing that. Okay. As of now, what I want you to remember is, without using class or an interface or an enum, we cannot write a Java program. Remember that. Okay. Without using class or an interface or an enum, we literally cannot write a Java program. As simple as it is. Now, before going to any further, guys, I'm going to write some small things here. Just please observe and tell me what are those. First AC, second AC, third AC, sleeper class, general compartment, like this. Can you please tell me what are these? Can you please tell me what are these? Just what are these? Right. These are all ticket bookings. Am I right, guys? Like ticket bookings. For example, if you are trying to travel through train, guys, if you are in India, if you are traveling through train, we'll be having first AC ticket, second AC ticket, third AC ticket, sleeper class, general compartment, like that, right? Now, for example, guys, please concentrate. If we are having third AC ticket, can I go and sit in first AC? If I am having third AC ticket, can I go and sit in first AC? Obviously, no, I cannot do that. Am I right? Exactly. So can I say that these tickets provide access restrictions? Can I say like that? These tickets provides access restrictions. Just like these tickets, guys, just like these tickets, in Java, we are having access modifiers. What are those? We'll be having, what are those? Access modifiers. How many access modifiers are there, guys? In Java, we will be having 4 access modifiers, like public, private, protected, public, private, protected, and default. What are these known as, guys? What are these known as? These are known as access modifiers. These are known as access modifiers. Now, guys, can I say that access modifiers provides access restrictions? Access, modifiers. These are known as access modifiers. Okay, access modifiers. Sir, what is public? What is the scope of public? what is the scope of private, what is the scope of protected, and what is the scope of default. We will be discussing, guys. Please believe me, we'll be discussing that. Okay. But as of now, if anyone asks you, how many types of access modifiers are there? How many types of access modifiers are there in Java? How many are there, guys? Come on, answer. How many? Four. Exact. Four. Not three. Not three. Please, four. Four types of access modifiers are there. Okay. What are those? Public, private, protected, and default. Sir, what is the scope of public? What is the scope of private, protected, default? We will be discussing, guys. We'll be discussing. Kindly please hold that thought. Okay. Hold that thought. Please hold that thought. So again, one more time. How many basic Java programming elements are there? There are three basic Java programming elements are there. What are those? Class, interface, and an enum. How many access modifiers are there? There are four access modifiers are there. What are those? Public, private, protected, and default. That is very good. That is literally very good. Now, guys, I'm going to write a small sentence. Tell me whether it is right or wrong. I love India, India. If I'm writing like this, is it correct or wrong? Please tell me. Just tell me right or wrong. Right or wrong. Just tell me right or wrong, please. Yes, obviously, it is wrong. Completely wrong. May I ask you why it is wrong? Sir, you are giving invalid grammar. Am I right or wrong? So that is, if that is a sentence, we need to have space like this, and I is actually capital letter. So it should start like, it is a starting of a sentence. It is a starting of a sentence. In English, starting of a sentence should start with capital letter, and India is a noun. It should start with capital letter. And if you want to, if we want to end a sentence, we need to end that sentence with the help of a full stop. Now, this is grammatically correct. Am I right or wrong? This is grammatically correct, right? Guys, English will have grammar. English will have grammar. Java will have syntax. English will be having grammar. Java will be having syntax. Are you understanding me, guys? Are you understanding me? Now, what is a syntax? What is a syntax? Guys, syntax means some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If we are not following those rules, obviously we will be getting an error. Okay, not only in Java, guys, not only in Java, in any programming language, first we should be knowing the syntax. Without knowing the syntax, we cannot write the code. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Please, guys, kindly please respond in the chat for me. Syntax. Syntax. What do you mean by syntax, guys? Syntax means some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If you are not following those rules, obviously we should be getting a compile time error, right? So guys, so if we want to write a class, what we should be knowing? If we want to write a class, what we should be knowing? Exactly. We should be knowing the syntax of a class. Am I, guys? I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Is it clear? Right. That is fantastic. Now, syntax, syntax, syntax of a class. Let us see what is the syntax of a class. Guys, just please observe syntax of a class. First, I need to write access, modifier, access modifier. After that, I need to write class. After that, I need to write class name, NAME, class name. After that, open braces and close braces. Inside this class, I can write some data. What I can write inside a class, we will be discussing that later. Okay, so this is the syntax of a Java class. Okay, first, access modifier. Guys, how many types of access modifiers are there? How many types of access modifiers are there? 4. What are those? Public, private, protected, and default. There are 4 types of access modifiers are there. Okay, so access modifier, we need to write access modifier class. Guys, this class is a keyword. What is this? What is that? Please tell me. What is this? It is a keyword. Okay, in Java, there are 50 keywords are there. 50 Java language keywords are there. And every Java language keyword, I repeat, every Java language keyword, guys, are you listening? Are you listening? Please respond. Are you listening? Yes, that is good. That is great. Every Java language keyword always starts with a small letter. Java is case sensitive. Every Java language keyword always starts with a small letter. Now, guys, this is the syntax of a class. All right. Now, can you give me an example for a class? First, what I need to write? Access modifier. Okay. Public class name. Let me try to write as DEM, open braces and close braces, like this. And inside the class, I can write some data. Whatever the data which I can write, we'll discuss it later. Guys, what do you say? Can I call this as an example for a class? Yes? You need to respond, guys. Please help me out. Exactly. Now, this is the syntax of a Java class. Now, guys, can you please help me out? I want to write the syntax of a interface. Tell me, first what I need to write? I believe you can do this. First, what I need to write? Compare. You can compare. First, access modifier, access modifier. After that, what I need to write? Not class. I need to write interface. And after that, what I need to write? I need to write interface name. Interface name. Am I right or wrong? Interface name. And after that, just open braces and close braces. That's it. Inside this interface, I can write some data. Sir, which data we are supposed to write inside interface? We will be discussing that. Wait for it. Slowly, one by one, one by one. Okay. Now, yep. Access modifiers. We know there are 4 types of access modifiers are there. So public, private, protect, and default. After that, interface. Guys, what is this interface? Can you please tell me what is this interface? What is this interface? Fantastic, guys. I like it. No, Harsha, buddy, Harsha, what is this class? What is this class, Harsha? Harsha Devardhan. Class is a keyword. Am I right? Class is a keyword. Now, what is this interface here? Interface is also a keyword. Guys, come on. Don't make it complicated. Kundan, don't go for complex terms. Okay. Right now, we are in the very first starting days. Don't make it complicated, guys. Don't make it complicated. Simple. Class is a keyword. Interface is also a keyword. Guys, we are learning the syntax here. Syntax. Very starting level, right? So don't go for like in-depth, right? Okay. Now, yes, guys, let us try to give an example for interface. Okay. First, what I need to write? I need to write an access modifier. Okay. Okay. Can I write like this? INTRFAC interface. Interface. Interface name. I want to go with like FIRS to first INTRFAC. First interface. And then open braces and close braces. Can I write like this or not? What do you think? Can I write like this? Guys, okay. Some people are saying that, sir, you are missing access modifier. Right. Guys, if I am not writing public, private, or protected, automatically its access modifier is default. What is that access modifier? Default. Right now, I did not write public, private, or protected, but automatically this interface access modifier is default. No need to write default. By default, compiler will be giving it as default access modifier. Sir, I want to write default. If you are trying to write default, you will be getting a compile time error. Okay. No need to write default. Are you understanding me, guys? Guys, kindly please respond. Kindly please respond. Am I clear with this? So right now, if anyone asks you, what is the access modifier for this interface? What is the access modifier for this interface? What is your answer? I'm waiting. What is your answer? Suresh, not public, not public. Exactly. The access modifier for this interface is default. Default, buddy. Default. Okay. Right. Right. Now, so guys, I believe you can give me the syntax of interface also. Can you do that for me? Can you give me the syntax of interface? Syntax of interface. I'm not asking you more. Just syntax of interface. Tell me first what I need to write. First, what I need to write? Sir, please write access modifier. Okay. Access modifier. Access modifier. Okay. After that, sir, write the keyword. Which keyword? Which interface keyword? Not interface keyword. Come on, yeah. Who is ABCHH? Not interface. Not interface, yeah. We are dealing with enum, buddy. We are dealing with enum. So we are supposed to write enum keyword. ENUM, enum. And after that, come on. After that, enum name. Wow, you guys are very enum name. NAME, enum name. Very quick learners. Very quick learners. Very good. Okay. And after that, open braces and close braces. That's it. Now inside enum, I can write some data. Inside the enum, I'll be able to write some data. What data I can write inside the enum, we'll be discussing it later. Just let me try to write it here like this. Now, Example of enum, yeah, why not? Just let me try to go with like public example of enum. Okay, public enum name, I want to go with like colors, 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 open braces and close braces, like that. Open braces and close braces, like that. Now inside enum, I'll be able to write some data like this. Okay, guys. Now, so let us try to have a small and quick recap. Okay, so now point number one, guys, please. Suresh, wait, not every time, please. I mean, not exactly for once. Okay, we will be discussing slowly. Wait for it. Suresh, Umesh, Joshi, we will be discussing slowly. Please wait for it. Now, guys, please don't compare C++ with Java. Okay, please wait for it. Please wait for it. Right now, guys, please listen. Now, if anyone asks you what are the basic Java programming elements, can you answer the question? Can you answer the question? Please respond to me. Yes. Fantastic. What are those? Class, interface, and an enum. How many access modifiers are there? How many access modifiers are there? 4. Public, private, protected, and default. What do you mean by syntax? What do you mean by syntax? Syntax means those are some set of rules which we need to follow whenever we are writing the code. If you are not following the syntax, we will be getting an error. So in order, like for your understanding purpose, we can say that English will be having grammar, Java will be having syntax. As simple as this. Got it, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me now. Okay, guys, without seeing right now, if I ask you to write the syntax of a class, can you write the syntax of a class? Can you write the syntax of a class right now without seeing? Fantastic. Very good. So can you write the syntax of an interface and an enum also without seeing? That is very good, guys. Then what are you waiting for? Can you please do that for me? Can you please do that for me? Right now, in your notes. I'm not asking you writing the example. Not on a small point. In Java, there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there. In Java, there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there. 3 basic Java programming elements are there. Class, interface, and an enum. So please try to write the syntaxes of this class, interface, and an enum, if possible, without seeing in your notes right now. Please make that happen. Guys. Please. Come on. I trust you. You can do this. And once you've completed, in the notes, if it is completed, please inform me in the chat. Sir, it's done, like that. That would be great for me. Go ahead. Guys, I strongly advise you to please write the running notes. Yes, this is a demo session. I'm not saying no, but guys, according to me, I have already started my core Java sessions. Trust me when I say that. My demo sessions are like fundamentals. I'll not waste a class. You will be understanding that very soon. Right. Kumar, please wait. Like by the end of the session, I'll try to address your queries. Okay. Please wait, Kumar. All right, guys. All right. All right. I hope you have written. I hope you have written this things in your notes. All right. Now, let me try to save it, please. Okay, saved it now. Guys, please concentrate here. Please concentrate. Let me try to take new data like this. Okay. Now, guys, I'm requesting you. Please concentrate here. Please concentrate now. In Java, there are three basic Java programming elements. L-A-M-E-N-T-S elements are there. Okay. So what are those? First one is class. Second one is interface, INTRFAC interface. And third one is enum. Okay. Now, what I want to say here is, for example, guys, please concentrate here. Now, let us think that I'm having, like, we are trying to create a project. Let us think that the name of that project will be SBI BANKNG, SBI banking project. Okay. The name of that project is SBI banking project. Now, inside this project, guys, just listen, try to imagine this. Trust me, you will be easily understanding this. Inside this project, I will be having inside this project, I'll be having JRE. I'll be having JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. What is the JRE also? I'll explain you. Okay. Now, JRE, and I'll be having one more folder known as SRC. What is the meaning of that SRC? SRC means source folder. SRC means source folder. Okay. SRC, source folder. Now, inside this SRC, I'm speaking about this source folder. Inside this SRC, I need to create inside this SRC folder. Let me try to keep it here like this. Inside this SRC folder, I need to create packages. What I need to create? I need to create packages, guys, packages. Just let me try to show it like this. In the SRC folder, I will be creating some packages like this. Some packages. Okay. Now, this is banking module, right? Like banking project, right? So I will be having a package. I'll be having a package. Just let me try to have like this, please. And one more strike offline like this. Okay. Now, this is a package. Okay. One more like this. That is actually package symbol, by the way. Okay. I'll be having a package. Now, this package name is com dot, or else just let me go with like LOAN, loan, MODULE, loan module. This package name is CC division, CC DIVISION. CC division means credit card division. This package name is, let me go with like SAVING, savings module, MODULE, savings module package. Okay. Now, guys, what I'm trying to say is, whenever we are trying to create any project, if you're trying to create a project in Java, we'll be having like JRE and SRC folders. Inside source folders, we need to create packages. We need to create packages. Sir, what is the use of this package? All right, guys. All right. Now, for example, guys, let us observe here. Just please observe here. I'm having some credit cards. Okay. I'm having these credit cards like Andhra Bank, Axis, Citi, HDFC, ICICI, some credit cards are there. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, let me open my Andhra Bank card, like Andhra Bank folder. Now, here I'm having 2018, 2019, 20, 21 bills. Bills will be there. Bills will be there. Okay. Like this. 20 bills will be there. Like this. All these bills are related to Andhra Bank. In the same manner, if I'm trying to access like Citi, I can directly open that particular year and I'll be able to access that bill. Guys, what is the use of organizing like this? Can you tell me? I believe in your systems also, you will be trying to create some different folders. Am I right or wrong? Am I right or wrong? Exactly. Easy to find, easy to handle, easy to access, easy approach, fetch the data easily, searching better in order to sort. Yes. All your answers are 100% correct. Now, what I want to say is, in SRC, we will be creating packages according to the modules which we are supposed to develop in a project. Now, sir, what is actually a package? Package consists of similar types of classes, interfaces, enums, and subpackages. Did you understand what is a package? Package consists of similar types of classes. As of now, kindly please think like that. Package, guys, respond. Don't sit idle in my class. Please. Don't sit idle in my class. Okay. One more time. What is actually a package? Package consists of similar types of classes, interfaces, and enum. For example, in this particular loan module, I will be having class A.java, class B.java, class C.java. All these three Java files belongs to loan module. All these three Java files belongs to loan module. For example, in credit card division, I'll be trying to have some Java files like class D.java, class A.java, interface A.java, interface B.java, like that. Now, all these four Java files belongs to credit card division package. Sir, actually, class A is already present in loan module package. Can we take in credit card division also? Yeah, why not? this class A.java belongs to this package, and this class A.java belongs to this package. In the same package, I cannot take a duplicate name, but in different packages, I can take duplicate name. Are you understanding me, guys? Please respond. Please respond. Okay. Now I'm having days days.java and class f.java, class e.java, like that, as simple as it is. Now these three Java files belongs to savings module. These three Java files belongs to savings module. Now guys, this is days.java is, for our understanding purpose, I'm marking it like this. Okay, this is enum guys, enum, enum. This is an enum, right? Just that is an enum. Okay, now answer my question correctly, guys. In our project, in our SBI banking project, we are using classes, interfaces, and enums also. But most of the time, we are dealing with what? Most of the time, we are dealing with classes or interfaces or enums. Exactly, classes. After that, after classes, exactly, interface. Enum, very last. Am I right or wrong? No, guys, that is exactly what I want to explain here. Generally, in projects, 90% of the time, we will be dealing with Java classes. 90% of the time, we'll be dealing with Java classes. And when you're coming to interface, less than 10% of the time, we will be dealing with interfaces. Less than 10% of the time, we'll be dealing with interfaces. But without using an interface, you cannot create a project. Interface is very essential, very important. We will be discussing about that interface whenever we are dealing with object oriented programming features. That is OOPS features. Whenever we are dealing with OOPS features, at that particular time, we'll be discussing about interfaces, guys. Okay, so less than 10% of the time, we will be dealing with interface. Now enum. So enum, guys, actually that depends upon our project. If our project is having that requirement, we'll be taking enum, or else no. Sir, what is actually an enum, guys? Enum is used to take if our project is having universal constants. Universal constants in the sense, no one should be able to change them. For example, what is today? Today is Thursday. I mean, Wednesday or Thursday? Oh, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, right? Can we change that into Thursday? No. Can we change that into Sunday? No. Can anyone change that? No. So, days in a week, months in an year, number of planets. Srinivas saying, sir, we can change that in America. No, I'm not saying like that, buddy. In India, we cannot change that. Am I right? Universal constants in the sense, no one should be able to, no one is able to change that. Like red color, blue color, days in a month, deck of cards, those are constants. So if your project is having that kind of, or those kind of universal constants, we are supposed to take enum. But generally speaking, guys, enum will be taking nearly less than 2% in our projects, less than 2%. That depends upon the project. I hope you got a clear picture, guys. Is it clear? Guys, please respond. No, those are independent. Krishna, those are independent. We'll be discussing that. Kindly please wait for that. Please wait for that, buddy. Okay. Fantastic. Very good. Very good. All right. All right. Now, all right. So guys, as of now, you know, we can do that. We can do that. We can do that. Okay. Guys, again, I'm saying you, enum, about interface, even regarding class also, we will be discussing it again. Trust me when I say that. Whenever the topic comes, I'll be discussing that again. What I am trying to say here is, there are 3 basic Java programming elements are there. And in those 3, most of the time, we are supposed to deal with what? Most of the time, we are supposed to deal with what? Exactly, done. That's it. That's it, done. We are supposed to deal with Java class. Sir, what is actually enum? What is an interface? How we are supposed to like work on interface and enum? Guys, come on here. This is in the very first starting days. Trust me, you will be discussing that. We will be discussing that. I give you my word. I will give you, trust me, you will be discussing that. Okay. Okay. Now, class. All right. So let us try to write the i7x syntax of a Java class. Before going to the syntax of a Java class, I want to write access, modifiers, access modifiers, access modifiers. Now, how many access modifiers are there, guys? We are having 4 access modifiers are there. Four. What are those? First one is public, public, public. Second one is private, private. Third one is protected, protected, protected. And finally, fourth one is default, default, like that. Now, what is the use of these access modifiers? They provide access restrictions. They provide access restrictions, which will be used to enhance the data security, which will be used to enhance the data security. As simple as it is, not more than that. Okay. So 4 types of access modifiers. Now, guys, very important note point. Very important note point. That is we can use, are you listening? Guys, are you listening? Please respond. Please respond. Respond, guys. This is important. This is important. Yeah, that is good. That is good. Now, we can use only two access modifiers for a Java class. We can use only 2 access modifiers for a Java class. Those are public and default. Now, how many access modifiers are there? How many access modifiers are there? 4. 4 access modifiers are there. How many we can use for a class? How many we can use for a class? Only 2. Sir, what about private and protected? Why we cannot use private and protected? Guys, whenever we are dealing with the scopes, you will be understanding that. You will be understanding that whenever we are dealing with the scope of these access modifiers. But as of now, kindly please do remember, we can use only 2 access modifiers for a Java class. Now, I want to write the syntax of a Java class. Syntax. Tell me. Tell me here. What is the syntax of a Java class? Okay. Access modifier, access modifier. After that, class. What is that class? What is that class? What is that class? Keyword, guys, keyword. And every Java language keyword always starts with. Every Java language keyword always starts with small letter. Exactly. Okay, class. And after that, class, name, class name, and then open braces and close braces. Now, guys, inside a class, I can write variables. I can write methods. I can write blocks. I can write blocks, and I can create objects. I can create objects. Okay. I can write variables. I can write methods. I can write blocks, and I can create objects. Sir, what are variables, methods, blocks, and what are these objects? Guys, hang on. Hold that thought. Hold that doubts. We'll be discussing slowly, one by one. Okay. I told you to give me like time up to Saturday, right? I love your enthusiasm. Just please wait up to Saturday. Okay. Right. So inside a class, we can write variables, we can write methods, we can write blocks, and we can create objects inside a class. Now, by the way, guys, can you please give me an example? Example for a class. Example for a Java class. Example. Can I write like this? Access modifier. First, I need to write access modifier. Okay. Private, private. There are 4 types of access modifiers are there. Private, class name student, student, and open braces and close braces. Can I write like this? No. Why? I cannot write like this? Why I cannot write like this? Exactly. How many types of access modifiers we can use for a class? Only 2. Exactly, guys. Exactly. So how about now? Can I write like this? Yeah, 100% correct. 100% correct. How about now? PUBLIC, public. Can I write like this? Yeah, obviously. Pretty much damn sure. We can write like this, right? So this is the correct example for a Java class. As simple as this. So inside a class, we can write a lot of things. Let us forget about that as of now. Okay. Now, guys, I want to write a small Java program. Very simple Java program. Okay. Please observe it correctly. Just let me try to save it. 8 p.m. Okay, now, guys, I want to write a small Java program. Please observe here, please. Right. Now, please. Kumar Dasri meeting ID, please tell me. Buddy, the meeting ID, you need the meeting ID. Okay. Hang on. You'll be getting that link. You'll be getting that link. Please check that. Let's wait here. Please wait. Please wait. Santosh is asking, sir, why you are not reading my messages? Guys, I told you, I'll be trying to address your messages once the session is completed here. I may not be able to answer your query. I hope you're understanding me. Yes, please. Why? Because guys, in our session, we are going in a very energetic manner. Am I right? So I cannot drop that. Okay. So please observe. Yeah, Patil, Dipraj. Yeah, I'll be giving you the code snippets. Come on, yeah. Trust me, we'll be 100% I'll be giving you. No issues. Okay. Now, so guys, I want to write first Java class. Okay. Program. Tell me. I want to write a Java program with the help of a class. With the help of a class. Now, I believe you remember the syntax of a class. Yes? Did you remember the syntax of a class? Yep. So, public, 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 class. I'm going to take class name, class A. I am taking it as class A. And open braces, close braces. Inside a class, guys, inside a class, I can write variables, methods, blocks, and I can create objects, right? Now, I'm going to write a small note point, just a small note point. That is, every Java program execution, every Java program execution, every Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. Sir, what is this main method? Yeah, I understand. So guys, please, inside a Java class, I can write variables. I can write, what is this? Method. I can write method. Am I right? Please respond to the chat for me. Okay. Now, as of now, today, just for our explanation purpose, I'm writing a method. Sir, what is the use of a method? How we are supposed to write a method? Most importantly, what is the syntax of a Java method? We will be discussing that in our tomorrow's session. Okay. So first, listen. Public, I'm writing public, static, void, main, and here I'm writing it as like this, and inside this string array, args args like this. Sir, hang on. I don't know what is this public, static, void, main, and string args. I'm not understanding that. What is that? Guys, before today's session, some people don't know the syntax of a class. But right now, you know the syntax of a class. Am I right or wrong? Exactly. In the same manner, please give me some time. Just some time. Okay. You will be understanding what is this public, what is this static, what is this void, what is this main, string, array, args. Everything you will be understanding that. I promise you, you'll be understanding that. As of now, What I want you to remember is this is a Java method. What is that? What is that? It is a Java method. Which method? What is the name of this method? What is the name of this method? Name of that method is main. That's it. Now, can you please read this point for me? Please read this point for me. Slowly, slowly. Every Java program execution should start from main method and end with main method. Enough. Not more than that. Enough. Please wait. Okay. Now, inside this main method, I'm writing a small statement system.out.println system.out.println, and here I'm writing JAVA. Java is awesome. I'm writing a small statement. Now, sir, this is a class. Okay. This is a method. Okay. What is this? Guys, this is a statement which is used to print some data in the console. For example, whenever you are going to ATM, it will be displaying welcome message. Am I right or wrong? Welcome message, guys. Welcome message. Just like a printing statement. You are just trying to print some data in the console. That's it. Not more than that. System.out.println is used to print some data in the console. That's it. Not more than that. Now, let me try to execute my program. Save as class a.java, and just let me go with all files. Save. Don't worry about that saving and compiling also, guys. Okay. Don't worry. I'll explain you how to save that. I'll explain you how to compile that. What is meant by compilation? What is meant by running? That is in our tomorrow's class. Okay. CMD command prompt. Oops, sorry. I'll be going with CMD, and let me try to compile it. Java C space file name dot Java. Rabia, we will be discussing that. You need to please wait for that. Could you please do me that favor, Rabia? Right. Thank you. So now Java C space file name dot Java. And after that, Java space generated class name. Now, am I getting my output? Am I getting that output? Java is awesome. Exactly. I am getting this output because I have written system.out.println. Inside that, I have written Java is awesome. For example, if I'm trying to write one more statement, system.out.println. So I love it. Now, if I execute my program, Java C space file name dot Java. Java is awesome. So I love it. Are you understanding me, guys? Right? This is our first Java program. Okay. Now, guys, let me ask you a small question. What is the name of this class? Just tell me, what is the name of this class? Name of this class? Class A. Class A. What is the access modifier of this class? How many methods are present in this class? What is the name of that method? And guys, every Java program execution, I repeat, every Java program execution should start with which method? Should start with which method? Main method. And ends with main method. What is the use of system.out.println statement? In your own words, what is the use of system.out.println statement? Exactly. To print some message. Where you are printing that? Where you are printing that? In the console. In the console, or else you can say output screen. No problem. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, guys, come on. A small and a quick recap. A small and a quick recap. How many types of basic Java programming elements are there? 3. Exactly, 3. So what are those? Class, interface, and an enum. Do you know the syntax of all those 3? Do you know the syntax of all those 3? Yes. What is the most commonly used element? What is the most commonly used element? Class. Rarely used element? Rarely used element? Enum. Exactly. How many Java language keywords are there? Keywords. 50. Guys, I'm not asking access modifiers here. Keywords. 50. How many access modifiers are there? 4. How many we can use for a class? That is fantastic. That is literally fantastic. Okay. So guys, as of now, enough. Okay. I don't want to go for more, but I literally challenged you up to Saturday, right? So tomorrow's class is very, 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 very important. Tomorrow's class. Don't even dare to miss tomorrow's class. I hope it's clear, guys. Am I clear with this? Guys, please respond. Now, do me a favor, guys. This is the first program. So if possible, try to write it by your own, or else you can note down in your notes. No problem, guys. Please. Note down. Now, Kirti, Kanaka Krishna Kirti. Kirti, I'm not sure. Hang on. I'm having one more student with your name here. Okay. I'm not sure whether you are the same person or not. Krishna, I mean, I'm having one of my student, like old student, very nice one. Like, yes. Why again you came, buddy? What happened? I remember your name here. Same concepts will be there, buddy. For core and full stack, same will be there. Okay, I'll discuss. Let me speak with you. Okay, please wait for that. Okay, guys, I will remember my students' names. Trust me when I say that. Please have this. No, I'll discuss that. ABC. I don't know what is your name here. I'll discuss like what are those keywords also. I'll let you know, buddy. Okay. Gupta, we can do that. That depends upon our program requirement, but it is highly not recommended here. It is not recommended. Okay. Okay. So guys, let me ask you guys, like, is it okay the way which I'm explaining? Are you able to understand? Please tell me. Are you able to understand the concepts? Somanath, that will be 100%. Trust me when I say that. Okay. That will be 100%. Only thing is just give some time, buddy. Just give some time. Okay. Yes. Enough. For now, it is enough, guys. Snehal will be understanding why private is not used like in our coming classes. You need to wait for that, please. Okay. That is good. That is good. CJP, no, Atif, if you are having a CJP, that would be great. If it is not, it's not mandatory. It's not mandatory. Okay. Madhuri, sir, will you teach coding? Come on, yeah. Without coding, how? 100%. Coding is mandatory. Just wait for 4 to 5 days, yeah. That's it. Just wait for 4 to 5 days. I promise you that. Okay. I'll do that, Somnath. I'll do that. No issues. Tarun, is it okay? Is it okay, Tarun Babu, or else you are facing any trouble? Please. Don't guys, please don't miss the classes. Please don't miss the classes here. Why? Because guys, my sessions, there will not be any lagging. Like some of my old students are present in this batch. They already know that there will not be any lagging in my class. Every day, we will learn a new topic. Trust me when I say that. Okay, we will learning a new topic. And I already told you guys, core Java, I'm going to cover within like 50 to 55 days of time, right? So regarding like payment details, you will be getting a link, guys. You'll be getting a link, a personal contact number. I may not be able to give you that, Harsha. Please don't mind. Please don't mind. Okay. Yeah, it will be done, Kumar. It will be done. Right. So guys, I hope you got the concepts clearly. Like I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow also. So I'm literally requesting you, please don't miss 4 to 5 days of sessions, guys. Why? Because if you're missing these 4 to 5 days of sessions, we will be having a trouble here. So please. And yesterday's class and today's class also will be trying to send you through email. Okay, yesterday's class and today's class also will be trying to send you email, guys. No issues. And that email you will be having the data. Okay, like recordings. I'm speaking about video recordings, right? And how many days if you want to know how many days it's going to take, kindly please go through yesterday's video recording. You will be getting that. Kumar, not exactly, buddy. I'll be answering your queries in the chat. And Telegram link, Mandar, you will be getting that. Please wait for it. Tomorrow, please join it. They'll be sending you again. Don't worry. You'll be getting that. Okay. So Core Java, yes, it will be helping you in your campus placement. Venkataramana, no problem. Priya, what is your query, Tali? Time period of core and advanced both. Time period is going to take nearly 4 months, I guess. Priya, nearly it's going to take 4 months. Okay. So yeah, it is helpful. Gautami, it is helpful, Tali. No problem. Right. You will get core. Yeah, you will be getting a certificate also. No issues. I'm not sure, Priya. Please make a call to the management and you can get that. Okay. Right. Guys, I will start from the basic. My God. No. In my class, either IT, non-IT, that does not matter to me. I will start right from the scratch, like one by one. Okay. One by one. I hope you guys are understanding me. If you want to know the times, like how much time it is going to take full stack, again, I'm saying you, I already been said you one more time. Most of the time I'm saying you guys, it is going to take nearly 5 months of time. Like if you did not attended yesterday's session, kindly please go through the video. You will be getting the videos to your emails. You'll be getting the information, guys. Right? If Realme like advanced, if time permits, I'll try to take care of that. Okay. Right. All right, guys. All right. I hope you have enjoyed our sessions. So we'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Okay. So guys, remember the challenge which I have given you. Okay. Regarding the fees details, you'll be getting a mail how you are supposed to pay the fees. Don't worry about that. Please don't worry about that. And regarding any technical information, please check your chat bot, like chat box. You will be having some information also, like technical information. You can make call to those numbers. They'll be trying to help you with those. Okay, regarding fees details and when other batches will be started, whether you can pay in installment or not, you can make a call to that numbers. And recordings, guys, tomorrow, tomorrow's class also should be happening today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow also. Let us check that, and we'll be trying to send you the recordings, guys. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you have enjoyed our sessions. We'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Good night, guys.